Hi, I am Melanie. Now we discuss definition of licensing agreement with some basics. How you can grow your business with licensing agreement. At last, topic will be wind up with conclusion. A licensing agreement is a legal contract between two parties in which one party, the licensor, grants the other party, the licensee, the right to use certain intellectual property, such as a patented invention, trademark, or copyrighted material, in exchange for payment. Licensing agreements specify the scope of the license, the period of the agreement, the royalty rate, if any, and any other provisions that are specific to the intellectual property being licensed. Some various kinds of licensing agreements, including exclusive licenses, grant the licensee the exclusive right to use the licensed intellectual property. These are non-exclusive licenses, sole licenses. Now discuss the non-exclusive licenses. Non-exclusive licenses, which allow the licensor to grant the same rights to multiple licensees, and sole licenses. Sole licenses grant the exclusive right to use intellectual property in a specific geographic region or market. We will discuss nearly specific ways that a licensing agreement may support business growth. These are access to new markets, increased revenue, brand recognition, innovation, diversification. So I am going to brief these specific terms one by one. In access to new markets, licensing may permit a company to enter new markets or develop into new geographical areas, lacking the costs and risks of setting up its own actions. In increased revenue, licensing may produce extra revenue streams for a company by allowing it to monetize its intellectual property through fees and royalties. In brand recognition, licensing may provision a company builds brand recognition and awareness, as the licensee may use the licensor's brand or trademark in marketing and selling the product or service. In innovation, licensing may facilitate the transfer of technology and knowledge between companies, the development of innovation, and helping both parties advance and progress. In diversification, licensing can help a company diversify its product or service offerings, reducing its reliance on any one particular area of the business. Licensing agreements may be practiced to support businesses grow by approving them to access and use valuable intellectual property without consuming to invest the time and capital to progress it on their own. They can also be used to protect intellectual property by stopping unauthorized use or duplication.